So I relaxed my hair at the age of 7.
No matter who I choose.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. So today's video is going to be slightly different from what I normally do. I put up a story on Instagram requesting you guys to ask me questions that I'd answer on my next YouTube video, which is this one, both hair related and non-hair related. I put up the story the first time, then I don't know why I felt like the questions weren't enough, because I'm going to do this video while I undo my twists, and I don't know how long that will take, so I had to put it up a second time so that I make sure like the questions are enough, so that the questions aren't too little and I'm not undone, basically all that. So I put it up a second time and I got a few more questions that I'm going to answer in this video, and I hope that you love it. I don't know how long it will take to undo my hair, so let's begin. First, I'm going to tie up my hair so that I start like from the back. I don't know whether I'm the only one who does this. You start undoing your hair from the back, the middle, and you just start. Anyway, so I feel like I'll start with the back. I pray this doesn't take so long. So the first question: how best do I protect my hair when in a protective style? Whenever I do, like for example, this is a protective style that I normally do. My hair is mostly in twists. I don't think I do any other hairstyle. I think this is something I found and I love, and I had to stick with it. So whenever I put my hair in a protective style, ensure to moisturize it. Moisturizing basically means putting water in your hair. Oil is a sealant, so the amount of moisture that you've incorporated in your hair, you need to seal it with oil. Cover your hair in anything of satin material. I sleep on a pillowcase made out of silk, so this is what we are trying to look for. And so I sleep on a silk pillowcase to ensure that I don't damage my hair because of the friction as you sleep. So basically there are two things. I ensure that I moisturize my hair whenever I feel like it's dry. I start by using water, then a cream, then an oil. If you've not seen the video about LCO and LOC, you can go check it out. I'll put it in the description box. And then I've also put up a video recently on Instagram on how I moisturize my hair. You can also check that out. So yeah, that's how I protect my hair when it's in a protective hairstyle. The second question: do I have a dream collab? And if I do, which one is it? Before I even answer that, I know you're wondering why this takes so much time. When I was doing this twist, I started out with 3-strand braids, so that's why it's getting hard when you get to the roots. Anyway, I wouldn't say I have a dream collab. I say I don't have like one. I'd want to work with various brands: L'Oreal, Namayel, Camille Rose, such brands. I don't think I have like one specific one, but I'd really want to work with those brands. On to the next, what my hair type is. I have type 4C hair. It's very coarse, it's very dense, it's very coily. Growing up, I don't think I really liked the texture of my hair because it's very hard to manage, especially if you're going to the salon. The person doing your hair doesn't know how to care for it. It just becomes unmanageable. It's painful. If you've been seeing my videos, there's a time I was saying I used to take painkillers in order to go to the salon because I know the pain that I'll undergo. It's that bad. But right now, I think with the right products and patience, because you're seeing, even whenever it comes to like detangling, whenever I see like a knot, I really take time with unraveling the knot because I don't want to damage the hair. It really requires a lot of patience. I've come to love it. I got products that I feel like are well suited for my hair, and it makes this whole process easier. I have low porosity hair. It takes a long time to absorb water and nutrients. How long is my hair, and is this the longest it has ever been? I'd say my hair is about 12 inches. That's approximately 30 centimeters. In terms of whether this has been the longest, I tend to believe so, because right now I feel like my hair is healthier. So yeah, when you have a healthy scalp, if you're taking care of your hair, it's bound to grow longer. So I believe that this should be the longest. I don't think I ever bother measuring my hair, so the results I'm telling you are as of last year, a year ago from around now. So I don't know whether it might be slightly longer or slightly shorter, or just at that 12-inch mark. I love my hair being long. It's not like a constant reminder that I need to check the length of my hair. Is it growing? Because I feel like that's just unnecessary pressure. I don't know why I feel like we're going to finish these questions and I won't even have gotten to half of my head. Anyway, let me undo my hair. What made you start a YouTube channel? I came to realize I have a lot of information regarding hair. Around COVID time, that's when I started doing my twist outs. I was so fascinated because all my life I've never done my hair personally. In 2021, just started doing a lot of research regarding my hair because I was tired of the pain. I used to dread going to get my hair done. So I started doing a lot of research. So I got a lot of information, and that enabled me to now start taking care of my hair. And now it started getting healthier and healthier as I went on, and I'd share that information with family and friends. That's how I started, because I realized I have so much information to offer, and it would be useful to somebody out there who probably wants to start out their hair journey. They don't have the information, and since I had it, why not share it? Something you wish people knew about you. I don't think there's something I wish people knew about me, but something people don't know about me. But just to put it out there, I have eczema. Basically, I get eczema as a form of an allergic reaction in my body when it's unable to break down excess proteins in the body. As a result, I get like a rash on my skin. I'm still trying to control it. One, it doesn't have a cure. It doesn't have like a definite solution, because I only thought it was about my diet. But even once I decided to minimize on taking the protein and I was able to like control it, I still get flare-ups here and there. And further research came to figure that it could actually be because of the weather. So whenever I just get random flare-ups, I tend to believe it's the weather. So there was a time it used to come on my scalp. I can't even say like at that particular time, because people say when your scalp is healthy, that's when you'll get the best hair. Your hair will grow, it will become long, it will become voluminous. I had eczema on my scalp and my hair was still thriving. So I don't know, that math isn't my thing. It's definitely way healthier now because I don't have eczema on my scalp. Putting a protective style or getting braids done was just a waste of time, since you'll just be itching, your scalp is flaky, and many people confuse that with dandruff, but in real sense it's not dandruff. It's just you have, I think it's called seborrheic eczema on your scalp. I don't think many people know that I had eczema on my scalp. I'm sure the people who are suffering with eczema take harm. It's not easy. Sometimes it takes a toll on your mental health, because if possible, if you can look for the root cause of why you have your eczema, try and figure it out. If there's a way you can control it, I didn't think that would take that much time. What is your proudest achievement? As of now, what I can term as my proudest achievement could be going out of my comfort zone and starting YouTube. It's not easy, trust me, it's not easy, especially if you're not the type of person who loves being on camera as much. That's what I can say. I love creating content, learned a few things here and there. Like, did I know I wanted to start YouTube? Yes. Did I know I wanted to start YouTube and now? No. What's at the top of my bucket list? One thing that I'd really want to do is travel within the country, travel outside the country. That's my number one thing that I want to do. I really want to do. I really love traveling and seeing new places, meeting new people, experiencing new cultures. It's such a fun thing to do. What's the most random word you know in a language that isn't your first? I know I'm going to butcher that name. One day in high school, I was going through the dictionary looking for a different word. Then I came across this one word. It's a German word, and I just randomly started using the word. The word is Gesundheit. It's a German word, but is used when somebody like sneezes in place of bless you. I have no context to all this. I don't know whether it's actually used. I have no idea. I just know it. I don't use it. This is the progress so far. It has a bit of density. Let me tell you, if there's something that I find annoying, people who don't have personal space. Let me give an example. You're in the supermarket, you're there at the cashier, and then there's somebody who is so close to you, like you can hear their breathing. They're literally just on your neck breathing. If there's something that annoys me, I honestly can't stand it, because I don't know, it's just the way people are brought up, what goes on. Like, why do you want to be that close to someone? I can literally hear you on my ear breathing. You're just here. Yeah, I'm a person who really appreciates personal space. Just keep distance. Personal space, guys. Personal space. It's unnecessary to be that close to someone. What challenges have you faced as a YouTuber so far? One funny thing, sometimes I forget that I do YouTube, so I rarely consider myself a YouTuber. I do create content for YouTube. It's never hit me that I'm actually doing YouTube. Let me answer the question. Challenges that I've faced so far. Once I started YouTube, I had to figure out a lot of things. In terms of, I had to learn how to edit, learn how to film, lighting. I know my lighting isn't all that, but considering I put on specs and everything, I need to still figure that out. But yeah, I needed to improve on certain skills that I had, the different editing styles, and I had to now get what do I like, how would I want to be editing my videos. Basically, I had to learn how to start editing, knowing what software I'm going to use. Filming is another challenge because I use my back camera. I need the clarity, and that just basically means when I'm filming myself, I can't see myself. So I have a mirror behind my actual camera. It takes a lot of time. Speaking about challenges, I didn't think editing would take so long. Editing is the longest part of filming a video. Before starting, I thought it would actually be the filming because you're not used to speaking on camera and all those things. Once you get used to filming, it doesn't take much time. Another challenge I faced is trying to be consistent. But once I began, I'm like, this is so much work, especially as a beginner. I need to film, edit the videos, and put them out. I figured that is a lot and a lot of work. So yeah, those are the challenges I faced so far. So I got 2 questions that were similar, and that is, what are the plans for your channel, and what content do we expect to see in future from your channel? As of now, it will be mostly about hair content because I feel like before you start on your hair journey, you need the basics. You need to know what the basics are, and I'll be here to guide anyone who wants to learn how to take care of their hair, especially those girls who just started out on their natural hair journey. I'm here to give you all the tips and tricks on how to take care of your hair. We'll just be doing mostly hair content. If it's tutorials, trying out new things, trying to debug myths that you've heard from elsewhere, whether they are true, whether they're not, opinions that I might have. I love this. Yeah, so for now, mostly here. There's so much information on the internet about what you need to do. Some of it is usually unnecessary, some is necessary. What's one thing you live by when it comes to your hair? I never ever compromise when it comes to moisturizing my hair. Moisturizing your hair does not mean oiling your hair. So when I say you need to moisturize your hair, I mean you need to incorporate water onto your hair. Commercial break for me to continue undoing my hair a bit. What advice could I give to someone starting out the natural hair journey? Do a lot of research so that you can know what is out there. How do you begin? Because there's nothing as bad as starting out. You've bought products that have cost you so much. Use the products and they are not working for you. Be patient, especially if you want to have healthier hair, if you want to grow longer hair, because it takes time. There are times it's frustrating, and once again, moisture. Your hair cannot grow. Your hair is basically like a plant. It needs water to grow. If you find a product that works for you, stick with it. Something that I know kills, even sometimes it kills my morale for growing my hair. Constant comparison of your hair with somebody else's hair. Personally, even me, I'm just like, there's somebody else I'll look at and I'm like, oh my god, I wish I had hair like theirs. There's another person who's looking at my hair, they wish they had hair like mine. Yeah, I guess we are just human and we never get tired of comparison, but that's one thing that will kill your morale. You're probably seeing somebody with a very long hair, voluminous hair. You want hair like theirs. You're like, oh my god, when will my hair get to that length? My hair is not as thick. It will kill your morale. So if you can, please don't compare. You can use that as your motivation, but don't compare because it will make you feel bad. That's my advice to someone starting out on their natural hair journey. Any favorite hair products? I'm going to say the truth and nothing but the truth based on what I've used and basically what has worked for me. I've tried a whole range from one brand that I really love and has worked for my hair, and that is the ORS Olive Oil Max Moisture Collection. For the first time ever, I was able to do my hair from home, meaning washing my hair, and I did a bit of straightening because I never do my hair from the house because it's tedious. I was really betting on myself that the products that I decided to use would really work out, and they actually did. I really love those products. They smell really nice, but so far, since that's the only thing I've used, I can say that's my favorite. Those are my favorite hair products. I swear by them. I feel like when the person making those products was making them, just thought about me. Hair myth. People saying that you can't grow your hair like really long. I believe that's a hair myth. Unless you have like a genetic condition that's stopping you from growing hair, I believe it's possible. You could grow your hair to any desired length. If I want to grow my hair right now to knee length, it can get there. That's a hair myth I feel like is there, especially for black women. Or your hair just needs to be a certain length, it can't get past that. It can. Advice for my younger self. I think I'd tell her to keep showing up in everything, in every area of your life. Give it your all. If it's in terms of academics, whether it's sports, give it your all. Continue loving wholeheartedly, because I genuinely feel like I'm a person who loves wholeheartedly, and sometimes people tend to take advantage of that. But anyway, it's not something that I'd want to stop doing. It's not advice, but I'd want to tell her that I'm really proud of her. Literally whatever you put your mind to, you can achieve it. Can you make your hair, I believe they wanted to say concoction. Can you make your hair concoction? And if yes, can you bring one? The concoction is the rosemary water. I feel like it's better for me to give you the ingredients and the benefits, then you can decide on what you put, and follow the video for you to be able to know what you want to include. All the ingredients in that whole mixture have their work. You can tailor make it to your specific needs. How do I maintain my hair on a budget? I think having like a shampoo, a conditioner, and oil is just enough to take care of your hair. That's how I maintain my hair on a budget. It doesn't need to break the bank because you're using expensive products. All the rest are just nitty-gritties. Where do I go to school and what course do I do? I'm currently in uni. I'm studying information security and forensics. What can I do to minimize hair breakage? 1, moisturize your hair, because if your hair is dry, it's going to break. 2, choose your products wisely. Take that product, look at the ingredients, put in your hairstyles for a bit longer. Don't change your hairstyles too frequently. You have a new style weekly. That will weaken your hair so much because there's a lot of tension. Have I ever cut my hair? I have a couple of times in my life, because it used to get to a point that my hair was so hard to maintain, especially growing up as a child. I used to cry so much, and it would just get to a point I get fed up. I come home and like I want it down. I'm tired. I can't be crying, can't be feeling. It's not worth the pain that I'm feeling. I deserve better. I need, and I'd do that. I believe I've done it. I've done a big chop twice. The last big chop I did was when I was 7 years old. I said, if I'm going to cut my hair and it's going to grow again, I'm going to relax it. So I relaxed my hair at the age of 7. So yeah, that was the last time I cut my hair. Last question. What's a hair tool you've always wanted to try? Basically everything I see on TikTok about hair. There's a new detangling brush that everyone is using. I'd want to try. There's a tool that can do twists on your hair easily. I'd want to try. Basically everything I see on TikTok hair related, I'd want to give it a try. But one thing that I can say I'd really want to try is the Rev hair dryer. I find it so fascinating. 1, it looks like I believe it's painless, because there's no pain you're undergoing, because you just put your hair in the dryer. It works like a vacuum and it straightens your hair. That's one thing. Rev hair, oh my god, I'd really want to try it. I'd want to own one. I'm done with the questions. Yeah, now you guys know a bit of information about me. This was a really fun video to do, despite me not having finished. But I'm about to finish doing my hair. What I can finish this part of the video saying is, you can grow your hair to whatever length you want it to be. Get the right products suited for your hair. Let me just undo the remaining bit. So this is the final look. is Tiffany. So Tiffany. Doing my hair is so much work. So you probably chop.
No matter who I choose.